Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Roblox. So let's start. If I go to Roblox right now, then I will be able to show you what currency I have. Then we will change it. So okay, I have it in peso. Let's change it. So for that, we will have to go to the settings. And that is given right there on the top right corner. And just press settings. So of course, you will need a Roblox account too. So now if I go to my personal information, we have gender, language, theme, then we have social networks. So you can see we do not have the change currency option. It's because it's a set to our country that we live in and where you have signed up. So I have used the peso right now. And in order to change my currency, I will actually have to change my country. And there is no such option where available on Roblox. So for now, what you'll have to do is you will use a VPN. And then you just change the country, and this way, your currency will also be changed on Roblox. So I'm using the Urban VPN. So just use that, and if I do the refresh and go to the Roblox again, you can see that's already on the dollar. So if you use the VPN, it will help you change your currency. So if I just actually use to have another currency, then just change it. So that's why I wanted to share with you guys that how you can use the VPN to share your currency because a lot of people don't know how to do that. Now, because the option is not available on the settings, it's super easy just to use the VPN and change your country this way. You will be able to change your currency as well. And if you like yours, if you have Indian rupees, then you just go ahead and change it to USD. And if you have USD, you want to change it to something else, you can do that really using the VPN on Roblox. So I hope that it was a big help. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and turn on the bell notification and leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks!